We run 6 series aluminum products at our facility. Our niche is in the architectural curtain wall industry, but we run a variety of shapes, from standard shapes to custom extrusions. The press we had installed was originally manufactured in 1971. It was degrading. We weren't able to keep reliable cycle times at the time, and we knew an upgrade was necessary.
The old system was still performing. However, it required a significant amount of maintenance input to keep it operating. They could adjust things to get good quality production out of it, but they would find very often that it would wander out of tolerances quickly.
We would be down, at least a shift or so a week, repairing weld leaks and fitting leaks.
Yeah, obviously anytime there's downtime with the loss of production, plus obviously I have manpower in the house, so labor cost definitely puts a big damper on our bottom line.
Time is money in our industry, so I can't afford to be broken down.
So the scope of this project included almost everything on the press itself other than the press frame and the cylinders, the heavy structural components. Keymark evaluated and refurbished them as necessary, and then everything else involved in the system was updated by Rexroth, and that included a complete new power unit with pumps and manifolds and valves, a new pre-fill valve, and the electronic control system that runs everything.
But one of the driving factors on upgrading the hydraulic unit and controls was the time frame. Yes, it's expensive, but the time frame to put a brand new press line in with foundation work is more.
The system that we built for Keymark has many new state-of-the-art features, including high-efficiency pumps, high-pressure capability, improved performance, quality improvements. And one of the best new features that we included was Rexroth's new advanced diagnostic system.
We are seeing many benefits from the new equipment.
We've had very minimal mechanical failures with the new equipment. The one we did have, I was able to easily troubleshoot with Rexroth's diagnostic system that they have on the press. That helped immensely. It prevents you from just opening up the press and willy-nilly looking at whatever valve and not knowing where you're going.
Our product quality has improved with this press. The speed control is much better than we had in the past.
The velocity is a lot smoother. It's a lot right off the start, right through the whole push of the billet. It's very, very consistent.
This is a new type of installation for us with the non-welded tubing, and it's virtually been leak-free over the last year. So that is huge.
I believe we're in the mid-20 percentile of energy savings from the old system to the new system.
It's performed better than expected. Rexroth has been really great support-wise. Bosch has ongoing training that is available. Mike's always available to me. There isn't a time that I've called him that he hasn't gotten back to me. We had a few minor issues after the commissioning, and Bosch was willing to get somebody up there right away to take care of those issues and address them for us promptly. So I'm very pleased with the customer service with Rexroth.
At Rexroth, we like to think that the project's not over when we've completed commissioning and it's running. We maintain involvement, and I frequently visit the plant afterwards to make sure things are still running well. In a few cases, we've made a few tweaks or adjustments to keep the press performing properly.
We look forward to working with Bosch in the future. We've got more press lines.